Jerome, ikaw ang susunod.
For number 6, I chose, well, yung mga tasks na ginagawa natin. Usually, ikaw yung kadalasang nahuhuli because I see your priority is working out. Number 5, I chose Baninay. Gusto ko marami ka pang matutunan and ma-improve as a real adult. Number 4 is Aura. I put myself on number 3 kasi naniniwala ako na kung ano ko nung pumasok, ganun pa din ako. And yung expectation sa akin bilang nakakatanda as your kuya, naniniwala ko na nagawa ko naman siya at naibigay ko yung best ko. My number 2 is Cora. Cora is one of the misunderstood, misinterpreted person among all of us. I want to give you this big opportunity so people will see and appreciate the real you. And my number 1 will be Tanner. I always believe in your strategies, in your techniques, and I see a lot of improvement in you. Hindi ko po nirank yung sarili ko kasi po ayoko pong manggaling po sa akin, kuya. Gusto kong sila po yung magdesisyon.
Hello mga kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.